My name is Yiming. I'm from group 337 of LEX 2011, my comic strip. I'm the group leader and I have 5 members in my group. I feel nervous and excited at first because this is the first time I've been chosen to become a leader. Before this, I've always preferred to be a good follower than a leader. So thank you to all my group members that give me this chance to be a leader. I think this activity is good because it can let us communicate with the others as we are always busy with our homeworks and assignments all the day. This is the time for us to speak up. As a student, we always need to face the laptops to complete our homeworks and also assignments. This is the time for us to communicate with others face to face. So this can train our communication skills as well as to improve our skills in speaking in English. In the process of discussing, we laugh a lot, and this makes me feel more relaxed and speak up whatever I want to speak. So when we are discussing, we also need tolerance among each other so that we won't stand on our point and will try to accept others' opinions so that this can make our discussion flow better. Okay, this activity can also help to instill the spirit of cooperation among us as we need to distribute our tasks equally among each other to complete our mission in a limited time. The examples of tasks include drawing the comics, coloring, making videos, making dialogues, finding, searching for resources for the comic, and we also need to upload the video onto the YouTube and also at Moodle group. Okay, as a leader, my job is to jot down the details during the discussion and then make a journal to post it to the Moodle group. I also need to upload the video of our discussion onto YouTube. And as a leader, I also need to start our discussion and also make a conclusion to end our discussion. I will voice out my ideas if I have any in the middle of the discussion so that we can discuss together. And what I've learned from this activity is that I've learned how to make a journal, as I haven't done it before in secondary school or primary school. And this is the first time I know how to prepare a complete journal, as this is the job of a secretary in clubs or anything else. And I also know the methods and process to upload a video onto YouTube. So I can learn a lot of things from these activities. I like these activities. think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.